I'm super excited to meet you at my channel, my friends. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I'm going to show you how you can make at least $200 per day using one website and a free Google tool. The strategy that I'm going to show you is not going to make you rich, but it is a good starting point to test the waters of making money using the power of the internet. Right? Before we go anywhere, let me just remind you that my channel is all about making money. I create videos that show people how to make money using the power of the internet. If you're looking for ways and means of using the power of the internet to make money, then my friend, you are watching the correct channel right now. So click that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you can know it every time I drop a video. Without wasting your time, my friend, let's jump straight into the discussion. Right, so the website that we are going to use to make at least $200 per day using a free Google tool is called People Per Hour. It's a secure website with a padlock at the corner. You can read there and says, right, your information, for example, passwords or credit card details, right, they are private when you send them on there, okay? The certificate is valid, 133 cookies are in place, okay? So that is important to know. People Per Hour is a freelance website. People are coming here, organizations, individuals, companies, and brands are coming on People Per Hour, outsourcing their services. There's another set of people who are coming on this website, and these are freelancers like you and me, right? We are offering the services. And the cool bit is that you're coming here and then you create a portfolio. You don't need to pay any subscription money fees on this website. And this strategy that I'm going to show you, you don't need an email list, you don't need a funnel, you don't need a funnel builder, you don't need an autoresponder. You're just coming here and you create your own portfolio and you just leave it there. It's free to register. Once you have registered, you come here and you click where it says search. And then you go down the scroll down menu, and you see where it says search projects. You search the projects, and you can see that there are thousands and thousands of projects that are going on right here, right? Offering different amounts of money, all right? Search engine optimization required, £176. That's British money. Business animated presentation, £1,500, British money. It's a little bit stronger than US, right? Background music for children's animated story, £200. And you're looking at company website, content and copywriter, £50. That one, 1,200. £105 and £25 per hour, 65, 60, £500, animated spreadsheets, £100 right there. I need a landing page designed and then put into production. That's £100, £30 right there. And how many pages are there? 230 pages of projects that are currently looking for freelancers like you and me. So look at the times when these projects have been dropped right here. An hour ago, that one. An hour ago, that's 1 hour. An hour ago, 1 hour ago. These are fresh, 2 hours ago. Fresh projects. All you need to do is to keep your eyes on these projects as they come in, as they drop in. And then you just submit your proposal. In other words, you do the project and then you submit your proposal. And then you wait. But today we are going to look at a particular service, and that service is translation, translating one language to another. And we're going to use a cool tool. This is a free Google tool that we are going to use. You don't need to pay any money for you to start making money right here. You're just making money for free. What is needed is just your effort, just to do something with your computer, and that's it. We're going to use a Google tool called Google Translate. It's a free tool. So you type in right there, translate on the search bar. This is on people per hour. For translation, over 100 projects that are current right now. Okay, 7 hours ago, a day ago, right? And the money that they are paying, right? Like I said, this strategy is not going to make you rich, right? But it's a good way of testing the waters. Once you start to make some little bit of money, then your eyes are opened and you are inspired even to scale up your activities and you start to make more money using the power of the internet. So look at this one. It says translate Italian to English, 26 pounds. Arabic to Hindi, Arabic to Urdu, 15 pounds. And the list is going on and we've got 6 pages. Let me show you now how the tool works. You go to Google and you just type in Google Translate and you want to translate one language to another. It doesn't matter what language it is. You can see the list of languages that you can translate right here. You've got Afrikaans, Albanian, Chichewa, that's a Zambian language, that one. Chinese, you've got Croatian, Czech, Hindi, Hebrew, Hawaiian, you've got Latin, you've got Portuguese, Polish, Persian, Spanish, Shona, that's a Zimbabwean language. You've got Ukrainian, you've got Turkish, you've got Russian, you've got all sorts of languages, right? So you can translate any language under the sun to a language that you can understand or to a language that you've been instructed to do. Say you are translating news. Let me demonstrate with this one. This is a language that is spoken in Africa, in Zimbabwe. That's my mother tongue, in other words, okay? So I pulled out some Shona newspaper, right? And some Shona news. And I want to find out what they're talking about in English. Let's just copy this piece of the news. It's written in Shona, right? Copy it, and then you go to Google Translate. Then we look for Shona. Shona is right here. It's now on Google Translate, it's highlighted. So Shona is right there. Then we paste the news written in Shona. And then we translate, look at in English. Look at this, my friend. In a split second, this Google tool has translated the Shona language into English. You can now understand what they're saying. Nyaya dzokurora nokurera mhuri, right? Family planning issues are said to be contributing to domestic violence, especially if they are done without the consent of the father and the mother. That's what they're saying right there. Okay. So my friend, you go back to people per hour and you can see it says Arabic to Urdu, right? Then you go back to Google Translate. You look for Arabic. Arabic is here, right? Then you paste the Arabic text and then it will be translated to whatever language. In our case, they said to Urdu, right? I think that's a language spoken in Pakistan somewhere there, right? So you search for Urdu. Where is Urdu? Right, Urdu is here, right? So you have Arabic right there and Urdu right there. So you just paste it and you find in a split second, this free Google tool will do the translation for you. And then you submit it on PayPal per hour, and then you get your money, 15 pounds. That's about $20. You don't need 10 minutes to do what I've just demonstrated. You don't need 5 minutes. Once you've done this twice, thrice, 4 times, you do this in a split second, and you are getting 15 pounds, about $20 or $25, right? $25 in 5 minutes. So this is why I'm saying, my friend, if you want, you can make at least $200 per day using a free Google tool, which is called Google Translate. This is how you're going to make at least $200 per day, my friend, without going anywhere, without paying anything to anyone. It's just your effort that is needed. Yes, this is a fantastic way of making money, right? Because you are making your hands dirty. Let me just give you a cool announcement, my friends, saying that it's possible for you to make money on autopilot. It's possible for you to make money whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are spending quality time with your loved ones, your husband, your wife, your children, whilst you are on your dream vacation. Why? Because kaching money is getting into your account on autopilot. If you are interested in finding out what I've just hinted on right now, check my #1 recommendation in the description below. If you found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we see each other in the next videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.